Question 6, page 82. We have to prove that sin 7x plus sin 5x plus 9 plus 3, that is sin c plus sin c plus sin d formula upon cos c plus cos t, cos c plus cos t. Two formula we have to apply and simply we have to make it simplify, right? So first formula in numerator is sin c plus sin d, and sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and cos c plus cos d, so cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That is the same thing, so I am not writing bracket c plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. So applying this formula directly, what we get, left hand side is sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 2 sin c plus d, that is 7x plus 5x, that is 12x, divided by 2 is 6x, so 2 sin 6x into cos 7 minus 5 is 2x, divided by 2 is x, so this is x, plus same formula once again, so sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d, 9 plus 3 12, divided by 2 is 6x, into cos 9 minus 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 3x, right? So same thing, applying formula in denominator, cos c plus cos d, that is this formula is 2 cos 7 plus 5, so same theta means same answer. Formula is cos into cos, that is 2 cos 6x into cos x, plus same theta, formula is 2 cos cos, so answer is 2 cos 6x into cos 3x. No need to write this 9 plus 3 again because formula is 2 cos cos, so I am writing only this sin cos instead of this cos cos. So 2 sin 6x is common, so 2 sin 6x is common. Here 2 cos 6x is common from denominator, so taking this common, so 2 sin 6x is common, so remaining will be cos x plus cos 3x whole upon 2 cos 6x is common, so 2 cos 6x is common, so remaining will be cos x plus cos 3x. So this will be cut, this 2 will be cut, sin upon cos is 10, that is your answer. So this is 10 6x, that is a right hand side, and hence this is 2. So question number 7, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. 3 terms are given and we have formula for 2 terms. But we have formula for sin 2x, so take sin 3x and sin x together. So writing left hand side sin 3x minus sin x plus sin twice x. So here applying sin c minus sin d formula, so sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and sin 2 theta is 2 sin x cos x, so sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So applying these two formula, what we get, this is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3 plus 1 4, divided by 2 is twice x, into sin c minus d, 3 minus 1 2, divided by 2 is x, plus 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x is common, so taking 2 sin x common, so remaining will be cos twice x plus cos x. So again cos c plus cos t formula, and cos c plus cos t is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this formula is applicable here. So applying this formula, what we get? 2 sin x, right? 2 cos c plus d, 2 plus 1, 3 x divided by 2. So 2 cos 3x by 2 into cos 2 minus 1 is x divided by 2 is x by 2, right? So 2 into 2, 4. So this is 4 times sin x into cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. That is what you want to prove. So into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. That is what you want to prove is right hand side. Hence this is true. Got it? So now some important examples for your competitive exam as well as your practice, right? So given that 2 cos theta plus 1, 2 cos theta minus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1, 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cos 8 theta plus 1, that we have to prove. So taking left hand side is given 2 cos theta plus 1, 2 cos theta minus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 and 2 cos 4 theta minus 1. This is the left hand side. So now this is 2 cos theta plus 1, 2 cos theta minus 1. That is a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means 4 cos square theta minus 1. 4 cos square theta minus 1. And this is 2 times cos 2 theta minus 1. And this is 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 as it is. Now it doesn't require this cos square theta, we require 2 theta. So cos square theta formula for this cos square theta, that we know cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. This is the formula. So applying this formula here, 4 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 and minus 1. This is into 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 as it is, and this 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 as it is. So this is 2 will be cut. This is 2 and minus 1, that is 1. And this is 2 cos 2 theta. So 2 cos 2 theta. If we multiply 2 with this is 2 cos 2 theta. Multiply with this 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So this is 2 cos theta plus 1. Now this is 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 into 2 cos 4 theta minus 1. Once again, repeating these two steps, that is a plus b, a minus b is 4 cos square minus 1. So this is 4 cos square 2 theta minus 1, right, for this two term, and this 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 as it is. Again applying formula for cos square theta, theta becomes 2. So this is 2 theta, that becomes 4 theta. So what is your answer? 4 times 1 plus cos 4 theta, double of this. If theta, then theta becomes 2 theta. So this is 2 into 2, that is 4 theta, divided by 2 minus 1, this bracket over, and this is 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 as it is. Once again, this is cancelled. If you multiply with these 2, then this is 2 cos 4 theta. So this is 2 cos 4 theta and multiply by this 2 and minus 1, that is plus 1. So this is 2 cos 4 theta minus 1. So once again repeating these two steps, a plus b, a minus b. So what is your answer now? 4 cos square 4 theta. So 4 cos square 4 theta minus 1 is the answer. 4 cos square 4 theta minus 1 is the answer. Again applying formula for this cos square theta. Instead of theta is 4 theta. So double of 4 is 8. So this is 4, 1 plus cos 8 theta divided by 2 minus 1. Got it? If we theta, then it becomes double. This is 4 theta becomes double, 8 theta. Again this will be cut. So this is 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta minus 1. That is 2 cos 8 theta plus 1. And this is nothing but your right hand side. So this is your right hand side. And hence we prove. Got it? So this is nice, good questions. Okay? We have to apply only one formula, that is cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. How we get the idea? See, a plus b, a minus b. So 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8. If we take these two left hand side, then your answer will be now 2 cos 16 theta plus 1. Okay? So you can extend your questions also. So next question is prove that cosec theta plus cosec 2 theta plus cosec 4 theta plus cot 4 theta is equal to cot theta by 2. So observe left hand side what you want, what you get and what you want to prove. Think this. So this is given. Now observing this, here is 4 theta, here is 4 theta, both are same. Then half of 4 is 2 and half of 2 is 1 and half of 1 is theta by 2. That you have to get the answer. Means we have to starting from here. No idea, no formula, then we have to change into sine cos. So changing this into sine cos. So this cosec theta plus this cosec 2 theta remains as it is, plus cosec 4 theta is 1 upon sine 4 theta and cot 4 theta is cos 4 theta upon sine 4 theta. So taking LCM, what you get here? If we take LCM, this is 1 plus cos 4 theta. So this cosec theta as it is plus cosec 2 theta as it is whole upon sine 4 theta, and this is 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now your formula 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. This is the formula we apply here. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So I am taking 2 to here. That is 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Means if 1 plus cos 2 theta, then answer is 2 cos square theta. Means half of this. Here is 1 plus cos 4 theta. So answer is 2 cos square half of this. That is 2 theta. So this will be cosec theta plus cosec 2 theta as it is plus 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square half of this is 2 theta whole upon now sine 4 theta. We have one formula also. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. This is the formula. 2 sine theta cos theta. Right? So sine 4 theta means 2 times sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta is the formula. So this 2 this cos cut. So this is cosec theta plus now cosec 2 theta is 1 upon sine 2 theta. I am changing now plus cos 2 theta as it is, so cos 2 theta as it is, whole upon sin 2 theta as here sin 2 theta is remaining. So we get this term here cot 4 theta, that is cot 2 theta. So no need to change again, already in sin cos. So I am keeping this as it is and changing this. Taking LCM means now repeating these two steps, right? So 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is cosec theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. I am writing directly 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is our formula, standard formula, 2 cos square theta, and sin 2 theta LCM, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is 2 sin theta cos theta. So this 2 cos will be cut. Again cos upon sin, so we need to change this into sin. So this is equal to, left hand side continue, this is 1 upon sin theta, and this is cos theta upon sin theta. This is cos theta upon sin theta. Now 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. So this is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. So 1 plus cos 2 then become half. The 1 plus cos theta becomes cos square theta by 2. So this is 2 cos square theta by 2 whole upon sin theta. 2 becomes 1, 1 becomes half, that is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. You have to divide by 2. So this 2 cos will cut. So remaining will be cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, that is cot theta by 2, that is right hand side. Hence what is you want to do. Got it? So nice example. One more. So same question, but only the way of asking is different one, right? So root here, if we take 2 common, so what is the left hand side? I am writing left hand side directly. This is root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 common 1 plus cos 8 theta. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta formula, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. This is the formula we have to apply. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. This theta become half. So divide by 2. This become 2 cos square 4 theta. So this is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. And answer of this is 2 cos square 4 theta. Now we are taking square root of 4 theta. It is given 0 less than. So I am writing this in here. 0 is less than theta is less than pi by 8. So if we multiply by 4, then this is 0 is less than 4 theta is less than pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2, that is first quadrant. So this is first quadrant, and in first quadrant cos is positive, so no need to take a square root. Negative, only positive square root. So cos 4 theta is greater than 0. So this is the reason why we are taking positive square root here. So this is equal to square root of, this is 2 as it is, plus root 2 as it is, plus square root of 4 is 2, and this is cos 4 theta. So once again repeating this 2 step, right? So 2 common, so taking 2 common, so square root of 2 plus square root of 2 common 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now 1 plus cos 4 theta, again repeating this formula, half of cos. that is 2 cos square theta, this 2 cos square 2 theta. So this will be square root of 2 plus square root of 2, and for this 2 cos square half of this, that is 2 theta. Again this is 4 cos square 2 theta. Again reason is 0 less than theta is less than pi by 8. If we multiply by 2, then this implies 0 is less than 2 theta is less than pi by 4. So again in first quadrant 0 to pi by 4, that is 45. So again first quadrant, and in first quadrant cos is positive, so cos 2 theta is greater than 0. So no need to take a square root negative. So this will be square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 2, 4 is 2, and cos square theta is 2 theta. Once again repeating this step, that is taking 2 common. So I am writing here. So left hand side will be 2 common, then 1 plus it's cos 2 theta, and this is in square root. Again 1 plus cos 2 theta is standard formula cos square theta. So this is square root of 2 into 2 cos square theta. So this is 2 cos theta as 0 less than theta is less than pi by 8, that is 22.5 degree first quadrant, and cos theta is greater than 0. This is first quadrant. So cos theta is greater than 0. We get the answer. I don't know. Right? So this is your right hand side, and this is true. Right? See. So if you are applying proper formula in proper channel, you will get your answer, right, without knowingly. मुझे पता भी नहीं चला कि आंसर आ भी गया, वो तो आ जाता है ना? ओके.